Hi all. Today the topic is how to increase the system speed. For this you need to do method 1. I will show the method 1, okay? For this you need to click on start button, whether you are using an XP or a Windows 7 or Windows 10 or Windows 11, whatever it is. Operating system is not matter, but you need to select this Windows button and click here, and in this box you need to type run, RUN. Okay, now here you're getting it will show the run desktop app. Click this or press here enter. If you press the enter you can get the same window, otherwise you can click here, that is also getting the same window. So I'm clicking here right now. Okay, now this run dialog box is came. In this search box, this is the box. In box, I wanted to type TEMP. Okay. Again, you can check it out once. TEMP and click here. Okay. Down. Now another windows came. In this window, some files are showing here. You need to remove this. You need to remove this. You can select one by one, or you can select enter with the mouse itself. Otherwise you can use control A also. Control A. Which key you wanted to use, you can use. Otherwise you can use control plus A. You can use at a time. Okay, now I'm using this control A. It is selected. Then you can right click and delete. Right click and delete. Otherwise you can press on keyboard also. Otherwise you can press delete key on keyboard itself. Okay, now I'm selecting here, right click and click the delete directly. Now it will shows this continue. Click on continue. In all the files are removed. If it is not removed also, you can select it and remove it. Otherwise you can cancel it lastly. If some link files are there, you can remove also. Now is close the window. Now the system speed is increased. This is the method 1 for increase the system speed. So from next tomorrow you can check it out another video for increasing the system speed. Thank you guys. Bye.